Imagine an organizational system that was designed and engineered with the same qualities as the space shuttle. Then you have just imagined Zaki Box. Zaki Box was invented by Zaki Marcos, a professionally trained aerospace engineer who worked on the design of the space shuttle program. Zaki Box is light, strong, and foldable. Zaki Box has a utility pattern with 8 original design claims and a trademark brand registry. If you are like most people, you struggle with clutter in your home, office, or garage. The smartest solution for storage and organization is Zaki Box. Zaki Box comes with clear, zipped front windows for easy visibility and accessibility. Zaki Boxes are connectable and secured to the wall for earthquake protection and structural integrity. Zaki Box storage and organizer units are modules that fit to any configurations at your garage, children's room, closet, and more. Go anywhere with confidence with the Zaki Box carrier. It includes high-quality materials, swivel wheels with brakes, and removable adjustable telescopic handle. It also features a wooden foldable mounted tabletop to convert from a carrier to a mobile table or desktop. Toting laundry is now a breeze with Zaki Box adjustable handle, foldable, full swivel wheels with brakes, and an adjustable netting on the top. Customers are raving about Zaki Box. Listen to what they have to say.
Zaki Box has become a verb for organization in my home. I find a new use for Zaki Box daily.
Wow. From space shuttle to Zaki Box, Sam's genius never stops. As a combat veteran, I wish I had this aboard ship and in the field.
As a professional musician, Zaki Box has been a lifesaver storing my sheet music. It's portable and lightweight, so it doesn't hurt my back when on the go.
Distributing companies already see this as a product for the future and have a handshake deal with the big box stores. Sam needs your help. Zaki Box is already in demand, and he cannot keep up with production unless he is able to mass produce. That means purchasing more inventory, investing in marketing, and scaling his production. So he's looking for investors who want to be a part of his vision of expanding to a warehouse.
Oh, hi, I'm Sam. Welcome to Zaki Box headquarters. Here is where all the magic happened. Here where Zaki Box was born. I want to take Zaki Box to the next level. I need your help. Together, with your support, we can take Zaki Box from this garage out to this world.
Thank you so much for viewing this video, and Sam is so excited to see what he can accomplish with your support.